Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Do you guys want to see how I make over my dining room table and chair? Well, stick with me and I'll show you how. So in this video, it will be part 1 of 2 because it's a long video and I had to cut it in 2. So here we go. So this is what my dining room table and chair looks like. I am quite impressed with them. I bought this table on eBay about 3 years ago for £75. The chair I've actually seen, fair share of wear and tear, so I had to get some slip covers and cover them, but we're having some problems with the slip cover, so we're going to rectify it in this video, and we're going to do some tufting as well, so stick with me guys. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just preparing to wrap the chair. So I've take off the slip cover because sometimes when we sit on the chair it just slides off, and then my son Tyrese, he gets really agitated with it because he's just always complaining, oh mom, can you not fix it? So here I am and fixing it today. So I've used my impact driver just to take out the screws because I'll be taking off the legs because I need to staple down the slip cover so it doesn't move. So just be careful with your impact driver when you're using it. I know I've said it so many times, but just please be very careful. And then here we go, I've taken off the legs. These slip covers, I got them on eBay. I bought 6 of them and I paid £21 for all 6 of them. I can leave a link in the description box below if you want to buy these ones. Now these ones, I chose these and the style and color because this is what I want, but you can choose a lot of different colors, a lot of different pattern, all the difference that you need is there, so you can just have a look. And then I just use my staple gun that I got from a Home Bargain and just start staple down the slip cover. A list of all of the items I use are in the description box below. And just go around, be very gently, be very patient when you're doing it so you can get it nice and neat and it doesn't look all bulgy, because we'll be putting back the legs on and we want it to sit nice and neat. So just be patient when you go around to put the stapler onto the slip cover. Just be very patient. And then after I finish stapling it, this is what it looks like. I check to make sure that every crease is and that is in right place, and then I just basically reverse what I did before. I just put back the legs on with the screws and then just use my impact driver after just to secure them. And then that's what it looks like after I finish it. I think it looks a lot more neater and a lot cleaner already, because on the sides the slip cover used to hang off, but now it doesn't. So before I had actually stapled on the slip cover, I had to stitch the side of the slip covers because they were a bit too wide, and then this is the reason why they keep falling off. So what I had to do before I put the staple on was to stitch the side of the slip cover. So here I am, I'm just using my machine, my sewing machine that I have here at home. I got this sewing machine off eBay, I think in 2018. I will leave a link in the description box below. It's not that expensive, but I don't remember how much. I think it's around 40 something pound, but it's really good. It helped me a lot on a lot of Trayvon's dressing up day that I had to alter because obviously he's a little bit short, so I had to alter it. But it's a very good sewing machine. So I'm just stitching the covers, and then that's what it looks like. So here I just went ahead with my ruler and a Sharpie. It's not permanent, so obviously it can come out. So I just measure out as to where I want to put the tufting. I'll be doing some tufting. This is my first time tufting, guys. So guys, please comment below. Anybody that knows how to do tufting, please comment below and let me know what you think of my tufting. So I'm just measuring out where I want to put the tufting. I want it to be accurate. I am not a measuring person. I am just look at it and think, oh yeah, it's perfect, so it's fine. But I want to be sure that all 6 chairs line up properly with the tufting, so that's why I'm measuring the chairs and where I want to put the tufting. Right, and then there we go. I fast forward this bit because it's taken a while, but I just go ahead with my needle and thread and then some buttons that I got from one below and just started doing the tufting. The chair, after realizing that the chair has so many metals in it, I had to kind of reorganize what I wanted to do. And this is the only route that was available for me to do, because what I wanted to do was not this. But anyway, I'm doing it, and I really love the end result. So I hope you guys love it as well. Please comment below, let me know what you think. I'm saying please let me know. Yeah, please let me know below in the comment section what you think of my tufting. Please let me know, guys. Comment below. Yeah, and then I just knotted the thread at the back and then just secure the button, because I'll be putting some gems over the buttons that I've put there. And I just cut off the excess thread and just knotted the rest of the thread just to secure it. And then this is what the results looks like after I tufted all these 6 chairs. It took me about 2 hours. So it wasn't that bad, because I was, to be honest to you, when I first did the first one, I'm thinking, oh my god, this is gonna be forever. But it isn't. It wasn't at all. So comment below, guys, let me know, and give me a thumbs up if you think I've done well so far, considering that this is my first time doing any kind of tufting or even upholstery. So just comment below and let me know what you think. So here we go. I was so disappointed when I opened this package and then realized that the gems that I've ordered on Amazon are so huge. So disappointed. Just have a look. I mean, they're really nice, but they're just so huge. Straight away I looked at it and see, I'm just thinking, oh dear, it's too big. And it was too big. It really was too big. And I just didn't know what to do. So I just think, okay, let me just try it on. I glued it on, but then once I sat in the chair, I could feel it in my back, and you want to be comfortable when you're sitting in a chair. So I just decided, okay, I'm going to do something else. So I ran to Edmonton Green, went into one below and just picked up some of these craft pearls. And then just use it just for the video purpose, because next week I'll be showing you the rest of my table, what I've done with it, because I'll be making over it as well. So I just use these pearls just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm going for. I end up using 3 in each hose, because the holes are a little bit bigger than what the pearl size is. So once I reorder the gems, I'm sure they'll be able to fit in those tufting hole size. Yeah, and I just went around the chairs and just did all 3 in one hose. I only did 3 of the chairs because obviously I will be changing it, so I just did it for video purposes, so you guys can see what I had in mind and what I really wanted to achieve. But guys, please comment below, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you think I'm doing well, apart from the fact that I've got the measurements wrong for the pearls. And sorry, not the pearls, the gem. But comment below and let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up as well, or comment, or give me any idea as to what you think I can use, because obviously I will be doing something else next week. So comment below and let me know what you think, guys. Yeah, and then this is what all 3 looks like. It looks really nice, just that the pearls are there. I would need to change them, but I'm really happy with it. Really happy. So yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Please tune in and also check out my other DIY videos. Thank you. Bye bye.